Hi, Linda and Jeff, Mitchell. Thank you so much for coming today to Griffin Funding. We are just thrilled that you could be here to meet me for the first time, and Sarah, my business partner as well, and the whole team. We are just absolutely thrilled to have you here.
Oh, we're excited. We're gonna get a new
you.
home.
That's right. Move-in day.
Moving in.
Yes.
My name's Jeff Mitchell.
And my name is Linda Mitchell.
And about 2 years ago, we had been contacted by Griffin Funding. Colby was kind of sending out feelers about buying a house. So we got a hold of her and had her kind of investigate a little bit about where we were at, because we knew we had a ways to go of things we needed to do. And she had gotten back to us shortly thereafter and letting us know that, yeah, you know, you're not quite there yet, but we're gonna keep in contact with you and you keep all our information. And then one good thing that she did was she put us in contact with some other people, different companies that could help us reach the goals that we needed to reach to get to where we needed to be. The thing that I appreciated and that kept me going was you started the ball rolling. You told us you thought it was a really good chance of going, and then everything that needed to be done from point A to the end obviously was accomplished, and you were able to either to do or find somebody to do or whatever. And that's what's the most important thing, is being able to finish and accomplish the mission, and you guys did that.
While we were going through this process, a couple other mortgage companies did reach out to us, try to, get our business, and they'd start working with us, and they'd start throwing figures at us, and it was kind of confusing. And then they'd go, okay, I think I can do this for you. And then all of a sudden it was this, no, we can't do this yet. What about this? What about that? And it was just, we'd get our hopes up and we'd get them down again. With Griffin Funding, they have always been upfront with us. We always knew where we stood. When we couldn't qualify in the beginning, they told us right away. And not only that, they didn't just shut the door on us. They said, this is what you need to do. Get this done. Keep in touch with us. We can do this. One more thing that Colby did was hook us up with the real estate agent we ended up with. And Julie found us our home. In the first day we were looking at homes. We had a list of homes we were looking at. We gave her this list. She showed us these homes. Before we were done, she said, let me show you this one more house. We weren't really looking in that area. She showed it to us that night we were putting an offer in. And Colby is the one that set us up with her.
And this home is in a wonderful location
Yes.
for you.
Yeah,
You know some of
yeah.
your neighbors,
Yes.
ironically, right?
It's across the street from our church.
It's amazing.
It's
I'm just so thrilled that your relationship with Julie worked out that way. We knew that it would be a perfect
She
fit.
is fantastic. We had no clue as to who to go to.
Well, I would absolutely recommend Griffin Funding for anyone who even thinks they might have a possibility of owning a home, wanting a home, when maybe they thought they couldn't.
Absolutely recommend them to anybody that's looking to find funding.